Hello everyone. I'm starting with a series of lectures, a series of videos on DBT Snowflake. In order to set up DBT, two things are already there in your system. So one is Snowflake active account and the Python 3.10 or 3.11 or 3.12. But don't go with the 3.13 because 3.13 is not supporting DBT Snowflake. And the VS Code because we are going to use the editor VS Code. Moving on, let's move on to Google Chrome and type in Snowflake trial count. So here in the first link, you might see start your 30-day free trial. Click on that. It will open the registration page. Now here we just enter your details and the work email. You can enter your Gmail only. Okay, why are we signing? Personal learning and development. Click on continue. Then the company name, you just enter ABC. The job title, data engineer. And the Snowflake edition, you can choose any one of these three, but better you choose the default one, that is enterprise. And you can choose any one of the cloud provider, but we are going with AWS only. We have three cloud providers because the Snowflake works on top of any one of these three clouds: Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud. And we choose AWS. And the region, Asia Pacific. There are so many other regions. Better go with the default one, that is Asia Pacific. You can choose any one of these regions. That works fine. And the checkbox, click on Get Started. And for now, I'm skipping all these things. What will you use Snowflake for? You can choose any one of these. I mean, you can choose all of them also. It doesn't matter. But for now, I'm just skipping all these things. Okay, even this one also I'm skipping, right? So you must have received an email. Go to your inbox. So it will take like, couple of minutes to receive the Snowflake account details. Till then, I'm pausing it. Yes, we have received email saying that activate your account. Just open it, click to activate. Then here, enter your username. I'm just giving username like this. You can give any other username. Give the password. Password doesn't contain the special characters like at the rate, underscore, hyphen. It should not. Password should not contain any special characters. Okay, even in the username also, it can contain only the letters and the numbers. No special characters like underscore, at the rate. Nothing is allowed. Click on Get Started. So your Snowflake is open. So this is how it looks. Skip for now. See, if you go to data, then it will show you these three databases. By default, you'll get these three databases. Snowflake, under Snowflake, these many schemas: Snowflake database, Snowflake learning DB, Snowflake sample data. Okay, so from this you can use any tables, like we have different schemas, right? In the schemas we have tables like customers, line item, nation, orders, all these tables we have. Now in this we are going to create a separate database wherein all the Snowflake objects, views or tables or materialized views, whenever you run your DBT model, it will create the Snowflake objects like views, tables, materialized views in one of the databases. That database we are going to create. For that purpose, just click on Create SQL Worksheet. It will open one SQL worksheet. Then follow this document. I'll be sharing this document. So you just run all these statements. So first thing, just create the role. So to create the role, you need to make use of account admin. So I'm going to create the role de underscore transform, and just grant the account admin role to the new created role, and running these three statements. So it created the role. Now create warehouse. It's virtual warehouse like compute instance that you're going to create. And even this one also I'm running. Create virtual warehouse and grant operate on warehouse, on this newly created warehouse to role de transform. De transform is my role name. This is my role name. And let us create one user. So this user, maybe I'm going to create DBT user. So with this user, I'll be connecting to the Snowflake from the DBT. So this is my username, and the login name also same I'm keeping, and it is going to use this warehouse, and this is the namespace. I'm just giving like this. You can give your own, and the comment. This is the one I'm going to create this user. Then alter the user. Don't worry about what are all these things. My username is DBT user. Then create the database, Airbnb database, because I'm going to use Airbnb files, which I'll be downloading from Kaggle. I created the database Airbnb DB, and in the database raw schema, and grant all these permissions to the role. So they ran successfully. For now, yes, up to this, we have created user, we have created, before that, we have created a role, and that role is assigned to the user, and we have created the database. If you refresh it, it will show you Airbnb DB under that one particular schema, raw. And this information schema, public schema, both are default. The raw schema, which we have created here in the line number 32, that is appeared here. Okay, so this is about Snowflake trial account setup. Also, we have seen how to create the user. I mean, we have created the user, DBT user, and the database we have created under that schema we have created. We are going to use this user and the role and the database and schema while working with DBT. Thank you. We'll see in the next class.